Write a program that uses timers to simulate a crazy ball. What this means is that every 100 milliseconds, the ball should change its position to a random location on the screen. Each time that you change the position of the ball, you should also set its color to be random color. Okay. Make sure the entire ball is visible on the screen at each random position. You should use a timer and the randomizer to make this work. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, he's going. Oh boy. Oh, where is he? Let's see. Okay, cool. Okay, and you know what? I'm actually so excited for this because one of the last things we're gonna do in this unit is the crazy ball game where you have to click it to win. And we can make some pretty funny variants of it where it like gets substantially harder the better you get at it. Where it could get smaller or blink faster or yeah. All right, so let's try it out ourselves. I'm going to purposefully make a couple of mistakes, and I want you to call me out. I want you to help me out. Okay? Okay. We're going to make a circle. Var ball equals new circle. How big? Radius big. Add the circle. No, add the ball. We have done it. We have made the circle. It's not crazy yet. It's just ball. But crazy's coming. That's all you got. That's all you got from the past year. Didn't come from me, Richard. I'm copy and pasting constantly. No, don't say that, Andres. It's not even. It's not even crazy. It's not even a little bit crazy. This is boring, but it's not going to stay that way. So I'm going to make a function that randomizes its color and its position. We're going to call that crazy, and then we'll call it and we'll make a timer for it so it keeps getting called. Function crazy is going to take that ball and set its color to be some random other color. All right. Now we're going to create a random x and a random y, and then we'll set the position to that random xy coordinate. For var x, essentially we want to set it so that it will never go more left than this and never go more right than this. So I'll just set it as a range of 0 to the maximum width or get width. 0 to the width. And we'll do the same for y. From 0 to the maximum height. And then we'll set it to that. So ball dot set position x and y. That new randomized x and y. Okay, this looks pretty good. Like it? I love it. Hmm. I kind of expected it to be crazier than this. I read your get width. Yeah, I wanted it crazy. This isn't crazy. What's going on? It should be changing. It should have changed its position. It should have changed its color. Don't bother, Jose. It doesn't work. Okay, Richard, interesting. You're saying loop the function. It is the way we do timers is kind of like a loop. It's like an ever repeating loop that is timed. Yes, Brayden, thank you. We forgot to set the timer. Um, I'm going to do that real quick. First, let's just call the function to make sure it works, and then we'll set the timer for it, okay? So, crazy. Well, I guess errors are kind of crazy. Take what I can get. At least it's interesting. I want you to look at this error, and I want you to memorize it. This is a very specific error. It means something very specific that we did wrong. And we're going to learn how to fix it. This goes back to what we learned last week about scope and about like local variables in scope, where essentially we created a ball. It exists. We declared it and we initialized it. It now exists. But it only exists from here to here. Over here in this other function, we're trying to refer to ball, and it goes, sorry, who? Like, if I'm hanging out with my parents and I say, Andres, he was crazy once. And they go, what? Who is that? Like, it's only relevant in certain spaces, right? That's the thing we talked about in scope. So we're going to do that. We're going to declare the ball in a global fashion so that everybody knows who ball is. And the way we do that is, you ready? 2 steps. You always have to do both steps. Be ready. We're going to make him famous. 2 steps. Take the object you are interested in globalizing and put it up there. That's the first bit. You have now globally declared it. He's famous. Oh my goodness. Second step, which I have not done yet. I'm still going to hit run and it won't work. Here's the second step. Cannot read properties of undefined. Oh man. Oh, I can't believe I forgot to do the second step. Right here. This is it. There can be only one var ball. You can only declare it once. If you're declaring the same variable in different places in the same way, you have problems. Get rid of the original var. So now we're saying, hear ye, all who come here must know var ball is here, right? We declare its presence. Now, anytime we refer to it, we just say, hey, ball dot, and then we refer to it, or ball is now equal to. We can mess with it now. We can change it now, but you only ever introduce them once. We'll run it again. Hey, that's crazy. Oh my, what? Up top? Down low? Too slow. Oh my goodness. All right, Skylar, sounds good. I heard that, Andres. Somebody mentioned that. All right, so that works. Crazy works. Let's set that as a timer and call it a day. Set timer for crazy to run every 100 milliseconds. Looks good. I'm gonna hit check code. BEAU to full, all greens. That's submittable.